Bazooka, you learned Morse code? Get him, buddy. You figured out Morse code? What are you trying to tell us? Is it a harmonica? A rubber chicken harmonica? You know what they say, better the rubber chicken harmonica than the rubber chicken Hanukkah. Oh, what happened? Oh, what happened? You want your rubber chicken? You want your rubber chicken? Gobble, gobble, gobble. As of this moment, friends, Knox County blew a 2-0 lead over Forest Green Rovers. 15 minutes into the second half, Forest Green Rovers scored 2 goals, and it is a catastrophe at Meadow Lane in Nottingham. And Bazooka plays the rubber chicken harmonica, singing a song of woe and desperation. Macaulay Langstaff, where are you? Score a hat trick. Uh-oh. You want your rubber chicken? Yeah, I know, guys, this pause. I know, it's a Bulldog burden. I treat it with topical stuff, Vaseline, and some Bulldog-specific stuff. And really, it gets, like, almost perfectly good again, and then, like, instantaneously it's bad again, and he doesn't help because he likes to chew at it. Well, on that note, friends, it's a rainy day in New York City. And it's a rainy day in the hearts of Knox County fans out in Meadow Lane right now. Be excellent to one another, and I'll see you all next time. Bazooki! Hasta la vista, baby.